This is our Bridgeport Milling Machine, belt drive head, 48-inch table. It's got a 2-axis DRO. Now this DRO is going to be upgraded to one of our latest consoles. We'll do that later, but mainly I'm showing you how the machine's working and make sure you're happy with it before it ships. So it's all been serviced. Almost no backlash there. Should be able to see the readout moving on the X there. Same with the Y. Yeah, a little tiny bit, but more than acceptable. Knees nice and smooth. Just turn that around before I walk into it. On each of the axes, you've got a nice lock here. Lock for the Y there, and for the knee down here. So we power up. Got power feed on the X. You move these stops to wherever you need them to be. As that hits there, it'll stop automatically. So you adjust them to be a lot closer to the vice or whatever job you're on. Just wait till it stops just to show you it working. There we go. So as you go the other way, just go to the middle, let it stop, and then the other way, just to be kind to the power feed, if you could. So it's variable speed. That's sort of the slowest there. So you press the rapid override here. Straight to rapid. As you take your finger off, it'll go back to feed again. That's all running fine. So now we'll test the head and the quill for you. So this particular head has got a twin speed motor. So we're in high range at the moment. So it gives you the twin speeds there. So I'll flip it onto the higher one. So for each one, each speed, each gear range, you've got 2 spindle speeds. Right, so I'm going to engage feed now on the quill. Engage it there. So for each spindle speed, we've got 3 different feeds. So that was the fastest, this is the slowest. Should be able to see it on the handle moving easier. And then that's the medium feed rate. And that's back to the highest again. I should be able to knock that off with 2 fingers, which is correct. I'll let it go all the way down now. The coolant pipe there's a coolant pump in the back as well. Okay, so that's all working fine. I'll reverse it, so the same spindle's going the same way, we're now going up. I'll reverse it again just to show you it's all working. Never let anyone hit that with a hammer, it will break instantly. Only ever just tease it in by hand. Okay, so that's all working fine. There's a quill lock here as well. So now I'll just show you it running in low range. So move this handle forward, this handle to the side, just check it in, fire it up, that's low range. There's a high spindle speed and the low. And then back to 0 again, I'll just brake. Now when you're changing from low back to high again, move this handle that way, move that handle that way. But you must make sure it pops. So you must click it and make it pop, otherwise it'll make a horrible noise and wear your machine out. As long as you do that, it'll be fine. So there we go, there's the change from forward to reverse. So that's pretty much everything. The brake's really only there for when you're taking the tool out, there's a drawbar in there. The drawbar's obviously all with it, it's still a nice one. So yeah, it's all a good running machine. Oh, I'll just put I don't know, you won't be able to hear, but that's coolant pump coming in and out. That's for the power feed, that's for the slotted end which is not fitted, and that's for the main spindle motor that needs to be on. Okay, so that's pretty much everything. As I say, the console will be upgraded to the latest one. Thanks for watching, hope you like it.